be Nosy.
When you open a fizzy drink with a vigorous shake, you splash out, and only a small amount of will be left over in your bottle. So what's this reason? Yes, it's mainly of carbon dioxide. Wait. Carbon dioxide? Well, it's necessary. It's toxic or non-toxic? Well, there's a small discussion. After this, we will consider it. Fizzy drinks or soft drinks, which are sweetened carbonated water with added flavors. When carbon dioxide is pressurized into water, it gets dissolved, and this formation leads to carbonic acid, which results in the sweetest sensation and acidic flavor in your mouth. Carbon dioxide is better soluble in water than as compared to other gases. It is not toxic and it does not affect our body parts because it's inert. Well, you may even question me, why can't we add oxygen in fizzy drinks? Why not oxygen? It's abundant in earth and it's vital for our survival. But no, while adding oxygen, it makes the food oxidized, and due to it, the smell and taste changes. So it becomes undrinkable. It smells too bad. Oh no! It makes the food rancid. And why can't we try other gases like methane, hydrogen, helium? Methane is abundant and is inflammable too. And other gases like hydrogen, helium is too inflammable. Of course, with other gases, our drink become poison. In a nutshell, adding carbon dioxide is safer, stable, cost effective, and the thrill we get is wow. Here, therefore, I mean that soft drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, blah 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 blah. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.